Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. You are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the Houston Maritime Attorney and Houston Maritime Injury Lawyer. Offshore injuries are both common and advertising. When your loved one has been injured offshore, it's important for you to know that your rights are and what you are entitled to receive as compensation. When you work with Reach and Binstock, you can rest assured that you will be working with a maritime injury lawyer with over 30 years of experience. That automatically ensures that you will have a leg up in court, as almost nothing is more important than experience in a courtroom. Contact a Houston Maritime attorney as soon as possible for your claim. And when an offshore injury has occurred, it is important to understand what types of compensation you may be entitled to. Offshore injuries are governed by complex and complicated state and federal laws, which govern the type of compensation you may receive. For this reason, an experienced maritime injury lawyer such as those at Reach and Winstock will help you to tremendously with your cases. For a free consultation, please call 713-622-7271 or fill out our online intake form. Maritime law and admiralty law are two terms that can be used interchangeably. Importantly, maritime law, also called admiralty law, is what governs offshore accident. Maritime workers have almost always adhered to certain specific laws that govern their industry. Although much of general maritime law in the United States of America comes from the consultation, there are other sources for these regulations as well. Below we list some of the most important laws, status and regulations that are crucial when it comes to maritime injury cases. The first one is the Jones Act, also called the Merchant Maritime Act of 1920. The Jones Act extends the Federal Employee Liability Act (FELA) to injured maritime workers. Basically, it allows injured workers in the maritime industry to file personal injury claim against their employer. A seaman injury in the course of employment. If the seaman dies from the injury, the personal representative of the seaman may elect to bring a civil action at law with the right of trial by jury against the employer. Law of the United States regulation recovery for personal injury to or death of a railway employee apply to an action under this section. Now I will describe what is a maintenance and cure in maritime law. Two important factors in Jones law cases are maintenance and cure. Maintenance is the compensation that your employer must provide to you while recover from an illness or injury. The intent behind maintenance is to provide compensation for a recovering worker's cost of living on land. However, many maritime employers try to keep these payments to a minimum. Working with experienced maritime attorney can potentially give you a better chance at a higher maintenance payment in your case. Cure is the medical care that your employer must provide to you after you suffer a work-related injury. It basically compensates for the treatment necessary for your recovery. While many employers don't want you to know this, offshore workers have the right to choose their own doctor under maintenance and cure. One crucial question remains: how long do maintenance and cure benefit last? Generally, maritime and harbor construction workers can receive these benefits until they reach maximum medical improvement. MMI is the point when your injury, illness or condition will no longer improve. Once you reach maximum medical improvement, your employer is no longer obligation to pay for further medical bills and treatment. We highly recommend speaking with trained maritime lawyer for your case. We will ensure that all your legal rights and benefits are protected. It's important to understand which offshore accident case actually fall under the jurisdiction of maritime law. In the United States, maritime law applies in any case that arise in navigable water. Navigable waters are those used for commerce, trade, or travel between multiple states or foreign country. Any body of water that is fully contained within a single state, such as a lake, is not subject to federal maritime law. Hope this video helped you to find the best one and Houston maritime attorney for yourself. So please keep watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching this video.